It's a certified 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. Having a family means dealing with surprises. This Grand Caravan was designed to handle the unexpected by delivering craftsmanship fueled by innovation. And it comes with all the amenities you need: external memory control, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, 3 12-volt power outlets, manual tilting steering column, Pentastar engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and multi-speed automatic transmission. New car test drive highlights: the second row bucket seats are stationary, but the back folds forward and the seat tips up to allow access to the third row, all with the pull of a lever. Open the bins and you can then push the seats into them. This system, now called Super Stow and Go, works superbly well. For a fairly simple invention, it's a masterpiece. Dodge doesn't do middle of the road. Leave average in the dust. Take it for a test drive today.
For service, selection, and value, choose Armory Garage. Stop in today and check us out. We are conveniently located at 926 Central Avenue in Albany, New York.